This video demonstrates how to connect Emulator to RL78 devices locked with Security ID. In this demonstration, the RL78 G23 fast prototyping board with Security ID embedded in the internal flash memory is connected to the E2 Lite emulator for debugging. When starting the debugger, the security check failed error may pop up. This is because the security ID set by the debugger does not match the ID set in the flash memory at address 0xC4 to 0xCD. To connect the debugger to a device that has a security ID, open the launch.json file, set the correct ID in the debugger by adding the server parameters uSecurityID and uSecurityID size. Start the debugger. The debugger starts successfully.